my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is very high paying. It is a well-known company, and it is part-time, 15 to 25 hours a week. So we will not waste any time. We will dive right on in. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. But the drug discount company, GoodRX, I don't know if you've heard of them, but they give discounts and coupons for drugs and pharmaceuticals that you can take to the drugstore and get a discount on your medicine, prescription medicine from a doctor's office if your insurance doesn't cover it, or if you don't have insurance and you're self-paying. They are hiring a clinical copy editor. Now, this is a contract 1099 position, so it is freelance and it is in the United States only. But on top of providing those discount coupons, GoodRx also has a website where they have different healthcare articles. They are just all about giving you the best healthcare advice along with those discounts. So they are looking for somebody to be responsible for their line editing of their healthcare articles for clarity and accuracy, as well as making sure the structural edit is complete. So you'll line edit and copy edit articles about health conditions on GoodRx Health website. You'll also fact check material to verify the accuracy of the information, data, and the claims in those articles. You'll provide assistance when needed for copy suggestions. You'll work with lead editors to maintain style and brand guides. You'll prepare and format drafts to hand off to the production team. Now, while they do not require any kind of college degree, they are looking for someone who has 2 to 4 years of experience editing and proofreading, someone who has experience working in the healthcare sector, someone who has a great English language skills, including spelling, grammar, and usage of the English language. You've got to know the different formats and style books, the AP style, the AMA. I know I had to do these when I was in college, but outside of college, I don't know those style guides anymore. You have to have great attention to detail and, of course, great communication skills and be highly organized. But if that is you, for 15 to 25 hours a week, they are paying anywhere from $45 to $55 an hour. So if you do have those skills, this would be a great part-time job to work around a full-time job for some extra side money. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.